Today Prime News highlight from SNH. In the wake of the recent terrorist attack in Pahalgam, India has banned the entry of Pakistani ships at Indian ports. It has also prohibited Indian ships from visiting Pakistani ports. Directorate General of Shipping, in a statement said, that any ship bearing the flag of Pakistan shall not be allowed to visit any Indian port. It also said that Indian flag ships will also not visit any ports of Pakistan. The DGS said that the restrictions have been put in place with immediate effect until further order. The decision has been taken to ensure safety of Indian assets, cargo and connected infrastructure, in public interest and for the interest of Indian shipping. It added that any exemption or dispensation from this order shall be examined and decided on case-to-case basis. Earlier today, India has also banned direct-indirect import of all goods from Pakistan with immediate effect. Directorate General of Foreign Trade said in a notification that direct-indirect import or transit of all goods originating in or exported from Pakistan shall be prohibited with immediate effect. It said this restriction is imposed in the interest of national security and public policy. Any exception to this prohibition will require approval of the government. India has also suspended all postal services to and from Pakistan. These measures follow India's earlier steps, including shutting the Atari land border, expelling Pakistani nationals, reducing diplomatic staff and suspending the Indus Waters Treaty. Thank you for watching SNH. Could you please pass to your circle?